Hello, I'm Mike Moore, Chairman of your Pasco Board of County Commissioners. Governor Ron DeSantis has announced a three-phase plan to reopen the state of Florida, meaning Pasco County will be allowed to lift some restrictions while keeping others in place. Thanks to your social distancing efforts during our April stay-at-home order, Pasco is in a strong position to slowly and safely reopen. So in the coming days, you'll see some of the places you've missed, like libraries and nature parks, begin to reopen with limited services. Please know we're using the latest data to guide our decisions and we'll be monitoring the progress carefully. Under the governor's order, beginning May 4th, Pasco's restaurants, stores, museums, and libraries are allowed to open at a capacity of 25%. And you'll be able to dine outdoors at your favorite restaurants once again. Medical services can fully reopen so you can visit your dentist, schedule elective surgeries, or go see your doctor. Bars, gyms, spas, and salons will stay closed for now, and you won't be able to visit nursing homes or long-term care facilities at this time. And regardless of where you go, we all still need to practice social distancing. You can see the governor's full order on our website at mypasco.net. There you can also find out what's open and what's not, what services are available online, and how you can watch and take part in public meetings, and our customer service team is ready to answer any questions you might have. Just call the number on your screen. We understand that it's been a difficult time for all of you, and please know my fellow commissioners and our entire Pasco team are working diligently to help keep our community safe and healthy. We're seeing encouraging downward trends in Pasco's number of COVID-19 cases. Testing is a key part of stopping the spread, and it's now available in Pasco for anyone who would like to be tested at Advent Health Center Ice in Wesley Chapel. We also launched an aggressive $2 million economic development grant to help small businesses in Pasco, and more than 1,400 businesses applied in just over 24 hours. We're seeing countless examples of hope, unity, and support, from sidewalk art campaigns unifying neighbors to social media efforts that have us rallying around local businesses, restaurants donating meals to frontline workers, and schools feeding our students in need. Countless people are even making and sewing masks to donate. Let's carry that spirit of our community into the next chapter as we work to reopen together. And before I go, I'd like to personally address our frontline workers, all the medical professionals, researchers, and first responders who are not only making a difference every day, but also risking their health to protect ours. Thank you from all of us here in Pasco County.